Thank you for coming today. What did you learn from today's course?
Oh, brilliant, amazing. Quite a lot of things. I mean, we've had a discussion, me and Aman, just a few minutes ago, and explained, because I've done it before, so now I know all my mistakes. I've learned a lot about like the two lines, the red and the blue lines, which is very important. And I think the game changer for me is using the flowable in that area to seal. It's really good, and it's a game changer for me.
Brilliant. Do you think you'll be able to take this concept home and start executing the B.O.P.T concept on your patients on Monday?
Oh, definitely. I'm just waiting for the kit now. As soon as I have my kit, which is hopefully on Monday morning, definitely on the next case I will try and use if the case needed, definitely.
Fantastic. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thank you. No, it's an amazing course. I highly recommend the course for everyone. It's really good.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Cheers.